Ekibiina empapweze kya Lions Club ya Ntungamo batoreine kandi bayemeka president wabo omusya aha mwaka gw'2026 2027 ogu ni Lion Ezra Kwesiga Mukama. Omukoro ogu gubeire gwebembeirwe wabaireho Minister w'enshonga za Teso Honorable Omunjin Paul Christine Helen kandi habaireho n'okwakira abantu basya abegeitira kibiina eki.
Will you, as president of Ntungamo Lions Club, perform your duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Congratulations, you have willed that you are going to serve.
Arkugambira mukoro Honorable Omunjin Paul Christine Helen ashabira batahire omu kibiina ekibusya hamwe na president omusya okutamburira hakigendererwa kya Lions Club ekyokuhereza abantu.
Lionism is a cooperative effort in which all of us must participate in our time, and we must make sure that the talents are successful in our efforts, as in our motto, to serve.
I will also ensure that community is sensitized and awareness provided about environmental protection and possible effects of environmental destruction. In this case, communities will be encouraged to plant trees, and to achieve this, the club will demonstrate by planting trees in communities like secondary schools, primary schools, homesteads.
President omusya Lion Ezra Kwesiga Mukama Baraganiise kwebembeza okwombeka irwariro ry'amaisho hamwe n'okumanyisa abantu okwerinda endwara ezitarikutambirwa.
I will ensure that eye screening activities are conducted and about 1,000 people served. I will also follow up the project proposal for our eye care project in the Lions Club International for funding. I will make sure that community is sensitized and awareness conducted about the causes of diabetes and possible solutions like carrying out diabetic walk and carrying out physical exercises.
The waiting shed at Rural Health Center 4 was successful. We planted several trees, we fed the hungry, we visited the sick, and served all our core areas. Our eye project is ongoing. We were able to charter 3 Rio clubs.
Bamwe ombebembezi abashyira mukoro ogu bashabira ba Lions Club okugumizamu n'ehuriro y'okukorera hamwe okuhindura enseegi hekaba nungi.
Focus so much on value addition, mwine kureba technology, mwine kureba so much on innovation and something to do with that industrialization and cottage industries. Mweni ntekateka meanwhile na mwana muza conferences zanyu nk'aba Lions, try your best and visit industries.
Work for the good of humankind, for the good of society. The older I grow, the more I understand that it's not money and riches, but the people you love that make you rich.
Lions Club ya Ntungamo bwahati eteire amaani aha kuyamba abantu abatarikwebaasa okwombeka irwariro ry'amaisho muri Ntungamo okumanyisa abantu aha kwerinda endwara okurinda obyobuhangwa bwensi hamwe n'ebindi nyamwingi. Gasha kwa Samuel ahumuzo muri Ntungamo.